Chapter 2, Number 32. A jet makes a landing, traveling due east with the speed of 70.6 meters per second. If the jet comes to rest in 13.0 seconds, what are the magnitude and the direction of its acceleration? So here I'm actually going to draw a picture, although it's relatively straightforward for us. And although the problem isn't 100% clear, they really mean after the thing has touched down. So here's our jet, and it touches down with some initial speed v0, which is 70.6 meters. It's this. And then it comes to rest somewhere else. And we know that if this had been time 0, then this is time 13.0 seconds. And what they're looking for is the acceleration. And we can see that since it slows down, since it gets slower, the acceleration must be opposite to the velocity, so it must point that way, and I don't know how much yet. But I do know the definition of the acceleration is the change in the velocity over the change in time, which is going to be that it ends at 0 and it starts at 70.6 meters per second, and that it ends at 13 seconds and starts at 0 seconds. So we end up with 70.6 over 13 minus 5.43 meters per second square with the right number of sig figs.